Hello friend, this is Karishma. Welcome back to this channel. The channel name is Everyone is Beautiful. Today I am going to show you how to wear Nauvari sari from Sahawar sari. That means you have to take 6 yard sari, 6 meter sari. You can take your favorite, any favorite sari, but sari should contain beautiful border, beautiful different color of border. That means sari color is different and border color is different. This much sari you have to keep on left side. The sari is 1.5 hand, 1.5 hand sari you have to keep on left side, and you have to tie a 2 knots on your belly button. You can secure that knot with safety pin, safety pin too. After knot you have to secure the edges with safety pin. Then I roll the left leg, and now I am making the pleats. You have to keep small pleats one on one, like this. Keep it neatly on back side. So I'm going to put this pleat on back side. Don't secure this with safety pin. We will secure with safety pin. Now left shoulder, left leg done. Now we will cover the right leg. Now we will cover the right leg. Now this is way also we can take, but what happened with me is my pallu is going to fall or touching the floor, so which is not good for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm creating 2 pleats, so my pallu's height will become decrease or will become short. Now I'm tucking the 2 pleats at the belly button, and now I'm rolling my sari around the right leg. Now I will make the pallu which go on left shoulder. So my pallu making style is different. You can learn that style also. Wait, I'm going to tell you. So this is the way I'm going to make the pallu. This is very easiest way. If you are not getting the idea of how to make pallu, then I will give different video link which is specially on pallu in description box. This sari called Paithani sari, which you will get easily all over India, but especially in Maharashtra. So this is the way we are going to secure pallu with safety pin on left shoulder. Pallu's height should be below knee length. Yeah. So I will tie with safety pin. Yeah. After that you have to take the first pallu or first pleat of your sari and secure with back side with safety pin. Now you have to secure with safety pin your kasta. Now this is done, and here also on right leg you have to secure both ends or both pleats with safety pin, so the sari won't come under your feet. So this is the sari this is the way to drape the 9-yard sari. So you wrap the gajra around your hairs, wear a beautiful jewelry, and dance like me. So how was the video? If you like, hit the like button, subscribe our channel.